throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley. Don't pop it like Miley.
Maths most important questions for class 12 board 2019. Question number 1. Prove that tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a is equal to tan 3a into tan 2a into tan a. सिद्ध कीजिए कि tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a is equal to tan 3a into tan 2a into tan a. Question number 2. Evaluate. Integral limit 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx upon 1 plus 3 sin square x. मान ज्ञात कीजिए. Integral limit 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx upon 1 plus 3 sin square x. Question number 3. Calculate the standard deviation from following table. The value given in the table are from x to y, which are respectively 10, 3, 12, 5, 14, 9, 16, 16, 18, 8, 20, 7, 22, 2. निम्न सारणी से मानक विचलन ज्ञात कीजिए. x और y की वैल्यू इस प्रकार हैं. 10, 3, 12, 5, 14, 9, 16, 16, 18, 8, 20, 7, 22, 2. Question number 4. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c is equal to 2 plus 2 cos a into cos b into cos c. यदि a plus b plus c is equal to pi हो तो सिद्ध कीजिए कि sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c is equal to 2 plus 2 cos a into cos b into cos c. Question number 5. Find the solution of the following differential equation. X under root 1 plus y square dx plus y under root 1 plus x square dy is equal to 0. निम्न अवकल समीकरण का हल ज्ञात कीजिए. x under root 1 plus y square dx plus y under root 1 plus x square dy is equal to 0. Thanks for watching this video.